Who cares? Who gives a fuck? It's me, Queen Lee. What's up, y'all? And I'm back with another motherfucking video. Okay. As you guys can tell by the title down below, it's another story time. I haven't done the story time in forever, but trust and believe me, I've been thinking about it, and I was like, why not? With a Ratchet Noodle Mukbang. Got my chopsticks, and I'm in there. Y'all don't blast me in the comments of my nails. Let me tell you something. I just took these hoes off at work today. Don't look at the background. I just moved in. I know y'all like, God damn, bitch, you got a lot going on. But it's like, it's alright. You fuck with me, I fuck with you. Real, recognize real. So, okay. Boom. We gonna start it off like this. Met this dude, me and my best friend, me and one of my best friends. We went, picked up a package. We had to go to the gas station. So okay, we at the gas station. I'm chilling. She went inside. I'm just chilling, and I see this dude pulls up. He hop out the car. He cute, all tall, brown skin, like. Okay, then. So when she get out the car, I'm like, did you see him? Cause I did. And she was like, yeah, he cute. Da. So okay, I go and I get out the car acting like I'm about to go buy something. I wasn't getting shit. But I seen him, and then so he looked at me and I looked at him. I did my little whatever. My little smirk. And so I was just like, excuse me, do you have a girlfriend? He was like, nah. I was like, do you want a girlfriend? And he laughed, and I'm like, no, I'm like so serious. I'm so serious. And he was like, we get to know each other, all this type of stuff, blah, blah, blah. So I was like, wait, that ain't your girlfriend in the car? He was like, I ain't got nobody in the car with me. I was like, well, it looked like y'all walked past. I don't know what car you got out of. So he was like, no. So I was like, he was like, just make sure you get my number. I was like, cool. So he leave. I had to go pee for real. So I went and I peed, and when I came back out, he wasn't in the gas station, so I'm like, Lord. He probably like, I ain't been talking to this crazy ass girl, but I walk outside. I walk past the car because you just don't be looking at people's cars like that. I walked past the car, so he honked the horn, and I looked, and I turned around. Okay. So we exchanged numbers. We talked. He was like, I'm gonna hit you up. I'm like, cool. That works for me. So days go by. We talking, we texting, chilling, blah blah blah. He said he like worked for the music industry, so he's like barely at home. But oh yeah, he make time with blah blah blah. So okay. One day, go over there, watch movies, we chilling, talking, getting to know each other, everything good. Cool. I leave. We still texting, getting to know each other. Mind you, I'm talking to other people at this time because I'm a motherfucking pimp. And that's what I do. I do pimp shit. And one day, I'm over there. No. He said that he's really only home during the weekends, so we will have to, all this type of stuff. But I told him that I want to see him. So one day, he didn't go out of town. He was like, he stayed just so me and him could chill with each other. And I told him that I love scary movies, so we should do scary movies, have movie night. He said, cool. Movie night consists of food. He ain't buying no fucking food, but it is what it is, whatever. He oh, that's so cute. You really thought about what I said. So okay, I go over there. We chilling. We getting to know each other still. We laughing, all this type of stuff. And then, one thing led to another. We in there like swim well. It was good. I leave the next day. Everything is cool. No, we not in a relationship, but we gotta understand it. We straight. So the next day, or the next time I go back over there, he's back in town. Or I want to see you. So okay. When it happened, when the sex happened, it wasn't what I expected it to be. It wasn't all that good. You get what I'm saying? And you sending pictures and shit, it just looks like it's just fucking phenomenal. It's just awesome, and when you get it, no, it's just basic. It's fuck. So go over there again. You ain't even gotta worry about that. It's okay. Just get to know him still. Boom, boom, boom. So by this time, we calling each other babe, boo, all this other type of shit. And then so he was like, he had to leave early the next day, so he was about to go lay down. So I was like, okay, cool. We laid down, watching movies. We fell asleep. Nothing, of course, dudes gonna be dudes when they feeling all up on ya and all this type of shit after they said we about to go to sleep. But okay, whatever. It is what it is. I ain't think nothing of it. So we sleep, the TV turned off, all that. I would say, mind you, it's winter. Winter, like December ass winter. It's cold as shit. It's like 20-something degrees outside, and I'm not exaggerating. I'm not. Like, it's 20 degrees outside. And so he rolls over and he started feeling and touching and all that. And so, I'm asleep. I don't want to be waking up. I woken up out my damn sleep for that shit. You ain't my dude. You ain't my nigga. Go on the fuck on. Excuse me. So he turned over doing all that touching and rubbing and shit. So I'm like, man, go to sleep. And so he was like, what? I was like, man, babe, go to sleep. Y'all. Why did I tell this man to go to sleep? He was like, what? I was like, go to sleep, man, I'm tired. He said, you could get the fuck out with all that. It didn't process in my head at first on what the fuck he said. So I was like, what? He was like, you could get the fuck out with all that. Me being me and my motherfucking pride, bitch, I got my own house. I don't need to lay in your motherfucking bed. First of all, your penis sucks. It sucks. So it really don't need much matter. So I was like, okay. I put it because you know how little booty shorts. You got to do how she got on booty shorts. So I, put my pants on, put my shirt on, my jacket, boom, I'm at the door. At this time, I had, was it a 2007, 2004? Either or, 2007, 2004, for Focus. His name was Bay. He was gay. It's my baby. I miss him. I had a Ford Focus, and my battery, like, that bitch, it was dead. That bitch cranked when it won the motherfucking crank. Now, usually, every time I go somewhere, like, to his house, God was just, like, there for me. Like, every time I left, the next day, my car crunk up. Like, it was good. Y'all, I got in that car cold. Mind you, 5 o'clock in the morning. And it's cold as shit outside. He kicked me out. So I get in the car. Y'all, my car will not start. My car will not start worth shit in the world. Like, at all. I said the one motherfucking time, you don't want to pray. I'm not gonna tell him like, hey, I need to jump off. You just get me out your house. I'm not about to. No. So my brother, he got his own security company, and he works like at that time he was getting off around 5 o'clock. Mind you, it's like 4 something then. So I called him. I'm like, hey, I need to jump. I was out. He was like, what you doing? I was being a little thot. Okay? I was being grown, and I didn't want to be extra grown, so he kicked me out his house. A normal brother would be like, what? Where that nigga at? Fuck him. Don't do my little sister like that. Nope. My brother started laughing and said, yeah, probably should have gave him some. He wouldn't be out in the goddamn cup. So I'm like, oh, so this nigga ain't shit. So, okay. I have to meet my brother because 1, I'm bad at directions. 2, my brother is slow. He can't take directions. So, y'all, my hands was like cold as fuck, like cold to the point if I ball these motherfuckers up, they hurting type cold. That's how cold it was. And I'm like, why is it this goddamn cold? Like my fingertips was just hurting, just burning. And I'm like, oh, I should have just gave this man some. Like, I just be asleep. But no, it still would have been embarrassing if we would have got up and we would have left at the same time and my shit ain't crank up. Like, nah, bro. Shit don't work like that. But I have not talked. I have not seen. I have not heard anything of what he got going on. I think I seen like his Facebook or his Snapchat one time after we stopped talking. But I don't want to talk to you. Because apparently you only wanted sex. And you had to kick me out your house. If you're watching it, fuck you. And your dick wasn't that big. I'm just saying. But if you guys enjoyed this Ratchet Mukbang story time, comment down below. Let me know if you wanna know more or let me tell more stories, anything like that. If you want me to continue posting, let me know, because a real bitch ain't got shit to do. I just be sitting at home. I get up at 3 o'clock every day, and it looks just like this every motherfucking day. And yeah, I'm in like swimwear. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Fuck with a real nigga. You get what I'm saying? Fuck with a real nigga. I fuck with you. You fuck with me. We can fuck with each other. Boom. Real, recognized real all day. Don't forget. Who cares? Who gives a fuck? It's me, Queen Lee, and we back. Just let me know. Love you guys.